To meet the demands of modern manufacturing processes, it's essential that rolling mills produce steel and aluminum strip with minimal flatness deviations. Achieving superior flatness requires continuous monitoring of the rolled sheet, combined with rapid corrective action to eliminate any flatness errors. Primetals Technologies offers a complete solution for identifying and rectifying flatness deviations through two of its market-leading technologies. The first is the air-bearing ShapeMeter, which is used to continuously identify and measure deviations in metal flatness. Any flatness errors identified are communicated continuously to the mill's technological control system, which sends instructions to the second Primetals Technologies product, the ISV spray system. This applies precisely modulated coolant to targeted zones on the work rolls in order to correct flatness errors. The air-bearing ShapeMeter features a series of rotors, which rotate independently on a bed of high-pressure air. These pressure-sensitive rotors measure flatness very accurately in discrete zones across the width of the metal sheet. Flatness deviations identified by the ShapeMeter are transmitted as air pressure signals to the transducer cabinet. Here they are converted into electrical signals for the mill's automation system. Unlike solid shape rolls that only take 1 or 4 measurements per revolution, the air-bearing ShapeMeter offers continuous flatness measurement, independent of mill speed, to deliver the most accurate flatness error reading. The ISV system adjusts coolant levels by pulse width modulation. Each spray zone can dispense up to 120 levels of coolant, enabling cooling to be precisely controlled across the width of the work roll. The number of spray zones on the ISV system are matched to the number of rotors on the ShapeMeter. This enables the two systems work in tandem, ensuring coolant is applied very accurately to the correct zones on the work roll. The air-bearing ShapeMeter and ISV spray bar system are both designed and manufactured in the UK to the highest quality and machining tolerances. Primetals Technologies provides complete design, manufacture, installation, commissioning, and servicing for the combined products. Together, the two systems provide the most reliable and accurate flatness measurement and correction solution on the market, helping to improve rolling mill productivity, operational efficiency, and product quality.